Today I will show you how you can make thousands of dollars in completely passive income for free and with no skills or experience required. If you're interested, stay tuned. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So today I will show you a way to make money online in completely passive income. And it involves this site here among many others I will show you today as well, called UII.io. What this website is and what it's about, you can see right off the bat when you come in their homepage. You will earn money whenever someone visits one of your URLs. This site is basically a URL shortener like bit.ly.com. The major difference is that when someone visits the URL you shortened, they will first see a bunch of ads and then proceed to the destination site. And the ad revenue is then split between the person who shortened the link, which will be you, and of course, the website itself. Now I will show you on the next platform precisely what links you will want to shorten. But before we get to that, you will need to create an account on this website first. So you will want to click on the sign up free button right here. On the next page, you will have to create a unique username, enter in your email address, create your password, re-enter that same password, tick this box to agree to this website's terms, and then on the register button just below to create your brand new account. When you log in, this is what your dashboard will look like. On here, you can track all of the info about your shortened links. You can see how many links you have gotten, how much money you have earned with your shortened URLs, how much money you have earned referring people, and your average CPM. Once you earn a bit of money, you can withdraw it by clicking on the withdraw button right over here. To shorten the actual link, you just have to click on use shortened link over here. And you then have to paste the original link in the box and then click on shorten down below. Since we don't have any links to shorten obviously, let's now proceed to the next platform we will be using today. One from which we will actually grab the original links. And that platform is actually YouTube. And as I said, we'll be grabbing the original links from YouTube. So let's make it clear that you will not be uploading anything onto YouTube or whatsoever. We will be grabbing links from YouTube videos instead. What you will want to search for in particular is something like how to become more confident or how to grow confidence or something along those lines. The reason we want these types of videos in particular is simple. They are extremely popular. All of these got millions of views at most and hundreds of thousands of views at least. And their popularity is going to come in very handy. In any case, you will now want to pick any of these videos here. And you want to choose at least 3 videos or so. To grab the link of any video, you'll have to open up, then click on the share button right here. And you will then be able to see and copy the link of the video. Once you grab the link from your video of choice guys, you want to come back over to this platform here, paste and click on shorten, which will now generate the shortened URL for the video that will also allow you to make money whenever someone clicks on it. With that done, once you've shortened a few links to a few YouTube videos, you will head over to this site here called Linktree. Now what this website is, you can see right here. Connect audiences to all of your content with just one link. So what this basically allows you to do is create a landing page, so to speak, where you'll be able to add multiple links. And you'll basically be able to share multiple links with just your one tree link. You can see why this can be so helpful. If you want to share 5 to 10 links with people, it's much easier for you to do so through this site here rather than having to share them all individually. Anyways, what you need to do when you come over to this platform is click on get started for free right here. On the next page, just enter in all of this info so that you can create your account, your email, username, and password. You will then have to tick this box and finally click on sign up with email right here. Once you log into your brand new account and verify your email address, this is how everything will look. And this is where you will be able to add links to your landing page so that people can see them. I, as you can see, have already done so as to not prolong this video. Now what you will guys do is basically add the multiple shortened links from all the videos you have picked. And to add the link, you'll need to click on add new link here. You will then paste the shortened URL right here and then add the title, which should be either the same or similar as the title of the actual video. And you will repeat the process until you have 3 or so links. And now what you will just need to do is share your Linktree link with people, which is located right here, by the way. And whenever some of them come onto your landing page, this is what they'll be able to see. They will then be able to click on any one of these links and they will actually gain value from those videos because they will help them boost their confidence. In turn, of course, you'll get paid. Now, once you guys add a few of those links on Linktree here, you will not go on Facebook or whatever to share your Linktree directly. We will instead be using one more platform in order to get paid, and that platform is Google Docs. It may come as a surprise, but you will see soon enough why this site will be so helpful for us, so stay tuned. Now what you guys have to do on Google Docs is write a guide on self-confidence and then add the Linktree link of yours in there. But since I've already written this guide for you, you won't have to. I will leave the link of this guide in the description box below so that you won't have to bother typing up any of this. In any case, whenever someone opens up this guide, not only will they be able to see and click on your Linktree link, click and open some of the videos and thus make you money, but you will actually be helping those people gain more confidence. So it's literally a win-win situation for everyone. Anyways, the last thing you want to do before we proceed to the site we will be using to get traffic to your guide is to save this to your PC. To do that, just click on File here, hover your mouse over Download, and then click on DocX to download it in the DocX format. Once you do so, you'll want to head over to a place where you can share that guide of yours and get thousands of people to see it. And that place is a website called Slideshare.net. This is arguably one of the best traffic sources if you want to share stuff like guides or articles, mainly because, as you can see, it gets 100 million visits per month and you only need thousands of people to check out your Linktree landing page and click on any of those links for you to make a lot of money in completely passive income. To upload the guide on here though, you'll first have to click on the sign up button here so that you can create your account. Once you create and log into your brand new account, you will then need to click on the upload button here and you will then open up that guide of yours from your PC. When you do so, you will just have to enter in the title of the guide, which should be something like how to become more confident. You will then add the description, choose a category, add in a few tags, complete this captcha, and finally click on the publish button to publish your guide on Slideshare here. And when you do so, thousands of people will be able to see it because, as you've seen previously, this is a hugely popular website. And arguably the best part about this strategy, guys, is that you won't have to do anything from here. Once you leave your guide on the side, your work is basically done and you will be making money literally months after. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.